ask you to do the impossible. Put in perspective what we have seen this postseason from LeBron James.
This is a classic case of best player versus best team. I didn't pick the Cleveland Cavaliers because I thought they were deeper. They had more promise. I picked the Cleveland Cavaliers because they have LeBron James. And as I continue to watch his game progress, it fascinates me how he continues to add facets to his game that make him unstoppable. In particular, with his dribble drive left, and then he's able to shoot it off one leg and make the bank shot. We also saw him do a game winner like that against the Indiana Pacers. Early in LeBron James' career, he was able to work from the inside layups and dunks until the perimeter when he got going. Last night, he wasn't going. And what got him going was actually his three-point shot. And the other thing, his poise, his patience, his leadership. I appreciate how he always continues to perform with a stoic demeanor. I know every time he hits a big shot, he's really thumping his chest and really demonstrative. But for the most part, he was pacing himself. And there were times on defense where he lollygagged. There was a bad gamble one time against Tatum. He gave up a three. There was another time against Jalen Brown, coming off a weak side double down action. He gave up a three. But LeBron James continued to will himself and will his team to a victory when we all know that the Boston Celtics were a better squad.
You could argue lollygagging on defense is what he had instead of rest in this game because he played 48 minutes.
Rest.
Put it in perspective. I mean, Beadle, what can we say about what we're seeing here?
I think once Boston lost Game 6, mostly everyone said this is setting up to be a movie ending for LeBron in a Game 7 situation at the Garden, and that's exactly what happened. Friday night, actually, was when I noticed a lot of veteran beat writers and NBA experts and a lot of people jumping ship off the Jordan train and onto the LeBron. I'm telling you, I'm just reporting what I saw, Jalen, but a lot of people that I never thought I would hear that from were like, you know what we just witnessed tonight, I'm ready to say it. LeBron James is the greatest of all time. The guy's amazing to watch. He literally just dragged a bunch of corpses into the finals, and I have no idea how he did it. And even though he got very defensive last night when asked about the rest of his team, he knows at the end of the day, you did this. You did everything. You made this happen, and those guys celebrated like they were a part of it. It was amazing.